Chapter 44. At the Christmas time, our character is an old man. He is a Christian. Today is 24th December. It is eve of the Christmas day, so he wants to celebrate the Christmas ceremonies tomorrow. He prepares the things to celebrate the Christmas ceremony. Firstly, he decorates the Christmas tree with the fancy things and colorful ribbons. He puts the present for his family's member under the Christmas tree. After that, they sing the Christmas carol. The old man puts the wreath on the door. He bakes the cakes by himself. The children believe that if they write the letter what they want on Christmas Eve, they could get it surely. So they hang the big stocking on the wall so that Santa Claus comes and puts the presents into it. They set out milk and cookies on Christmas Eve as a snack for Santa. On Christmas Eve's midnight, the old man goes and sees his grandchildren if they fall asleep surely. And then he puts on a white beard and a red suit like Santa Claus, and puts the presents under the Christmas tree. On the Christmas morning, the old man awakens his grandchildren and says, "There are many presents under the Christmas tree." So the children goes to the Christmas tree and find the presents. They unwrap the package. They find out the dolls and toys. At that night, the old man and his family members have the dinner. The main dish is turkey. They celebrate the Christmas ceremony